everyone, Emily with Grandma B's Mini Treats here, and a recent contestant on the Silos Baking Competition from episode 5, the last one before the finale that's coming up here on Sunday. And I wanted to do a little bit of a show recap from my episode because I get so many questions. And I'm getting a ton of questions about, my beige log. So I thought it would be fun to do a quick recap and then talk about, who I might be rooting for Sunday. As I really encourage you to watch because I think it's going to be a great finale. They're all phenomenal bakers. But let's talk about episode 5. One of the first questions I always get was, was it stressful or was it fun? Well, it was both. I really had the time of my life. It was an unusual experience to bake in an outside kitchen with cameras around and an audience. And part of me was having so much fun, I might have forgot to focus on the competition bit a little bit. And the other fun thing about the show was my co-bakers, Lou, Kendall, Chrissy, and Jamie. They are just such wonderful people, and we've baked together since from a distance. And during the show, you can only fit so much in a 45-minute period of filming, or at least airing. We actually were able to interact quite a bit more and taste each other's treats, all of which were wonderful. And it was really just a wonderful experience to be there. I'm so grateful for the opportunity and hope everyone keeps watching and they continue to do the seasons because it really is quite special of a way to bring people together in what's a very friendly and positive competition. So let's see. Everyone is continually asking me how I felt about Megan's comment of my beige log. Well, let's face it, she wasn't wrong. Of course, if I had things to do over again, I would have really, stepped up my game to refocus on my sauce. It was hot. I really would have loved to have done a whipped cream filling, a caramel whipped cream filling, but there's no way I could take that risk in that Texas heat and have, my treat filled with something that's cream based in the event that it was sitting out at all. So, I wish I would have probably redone my sauce if I had had my head on straight a little bit more. Of course, I wish I would have focused on presentation a little bit more. It's hard with a Twinkie mini cake, because it is a little bit of a log. But of course, it was a competition, so I should have stepped up my game. And that's at the end of the day, they can't complain about that. She called it like it was. But what I do know is it was a delicious treat. So it may not have been the winning one, but for a gluten-free treat, that's not always easy to do. I'm really proud of it. It is a great bake and it has a fun flavor and it's something that crosses all kind of boundaries of taste preferences. The kids love it, adults love to have a gluten-free option, and most importantly, frankly, what made my whole day with it was Joanna really liked it, and she even commented on the texture, and I'm very proud of the texture of that gluten-free Twinkie cake because it's not hard to do, and I'm super proud of it. So all in all, we had the best time. There's nothing but fun things happening amongst all that stress. Oh, though, I forgot, the last question I get is the ovens. Yes, the ovens were temperamental, but we all managed to work through it. And of course they would be. It's a different kind of oven, a little bit smaller than what we're all used to probably. And anytime you open a door, it changes the temperature. So, all of that was definitely manageable. I think everyone, despite the oven's ups and downs, all had great bakes. So at the end of the day, it worked out. And then last question I'm getting is, who am I rooting for in the finale? That's one of the other contestants, not from my episode, Denise. She's actually from my neck of the woods here in Central Oregon. So of course. Yeah, I have great encouragement for her, and they're all wonderful bakers. But at the end of the day, Lou, my episode 5 co-baker, a wonderful human, phenomenal home baker, hardworking nurse, all of it, you know. I might have to cheer the loudest for her, even though I'll be cheering everyone on, and most definitely will be flying her Luligan colors, because she is one of the 5 bakers in a van with us from episode 5, and we are all Luligans for forever. So, Lou, I wish you the best of luck on Sunday. We'll be watching and we'll be cheering you on, and know it's going to be a great day for everyone participating, because it's all wonderful bakers and wonderful people. So, thanks very much.